Hey guys, it's Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the new releases for this week. As you can see, we have quite the theme. It is a pink wizarding. We are calling it Accio Pink and I am very excited for it. But before we get into it, this will be all of this Friday's release, which we'll get into these items. But first things first is I have to show you the wiggle for this week, Wednesday at noon Eastern. I have a feeling that this one's going to sell out. I don't know how quickly, but I have a feeling it will because it is so dang beautiful. Are you ready? Look at her. So it's a very like galaxy pinky purple kind of pattern, and it is on the matte paper with hollow. So how pretty is that? I love this. I'd love to know your guys' thoughts on, do you guys prefer like these pattern ones? I feel like you could kind of make a cool little like minimalistic spread, throw in a couple extra like multicolor from our multicolor line, like some half boxes and stuff, and totally make it work. Like I have said, for all of these wiggles, they are on a matte paper. They are not clear like our other wiggles. They're really pretty though, super high quality. So many of you guys have been giving such great feedback for the wiggles. A lot of people have gotten their the purple wiggle so far and have been loving it, the periwinkle. So it's, I guess it's just like a purplish blue, but so pretty, so excited for it, and I know you guys will be too, just based on how well the solid ones sold. And then I just think that this is like kind of over the top beautiful. So this is again on the matte paper and it will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. Sheets individually are $2.45. They are a little bit more expensive than the clear ones just because they are more expensive to produce, but if you buy all 5 you do get them for $10, so like $2 a sheet. So that is super awesome as well. So those will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. Then we do have Accio Pink coming to the shop, which is kind of like an event. We have a lot of things. I also have washi, which I do not have in hand now. If I get it by Friday, I will post it. If not, that will just be posted at a later date. We are running kind of behind on that, but washi isn't something that's like a core item for me. It's more just like a fun added on extra. So if we don't have it in time, it's just a small part of the release. So let's go ahead and get into this. So I think I'm going to show you guys the stickers first. Let me see what's all in. Or maybe I'll show you guys the TN kit first. Let me show you the TN kit first. So there are some kind of newer items. So let's start here. So let's go through. So first things first, you do have the papers. I wanted to keep these pretty simple. I feel like you could totally use these anytime with a lot of different kits. I kind of like the more simplistic papers just because I feel like you could pull a lot of other things in with them or use them for other spreads slash setups if you don't use them all for this one. So you do get 6 papers and they are double-sided. There are 3 of each design. So there is a pink sheet, so it has the muted kind of pastel-ish pink, and it is bows on one side and stars on the other. Then there is a gray with bows and stars, and then there is a really beautiful pink. I just love this like whole setup. Pink with the bows on the other side as well. Super simplistic, but I think it'll go great with all of the other items. There are some specialty papers. This is actually the last kit I'm going to be doing specialty papers with, just because I'm going to start bringing some packs to the shop. I feel like those have done really well, and then you can kind of just collect them all. The foil throughout all of these items is a like matte champagne foil. If I do like a specialty foil color like kind of themed for a kit in the future, I'll definitely do like acetate or vellum, something like that. But this is like a special color, so I wanted to do the acetate and foil in this special color. So this is like a matte gold. It's like a champagne matte gold. So you do have the star vellum. Again, I wanted to keep it like, you know, you could totally pair that with other things. And then there is also star vellum here. This has vellum, that's acetate. So you have star vellum, and then you also have the bow vellum. These are in the champagne gold, so they're not available in any other set currently. We have our regular gold in our regular acetate pack. And then there's also this acetate here, which has the little crest. You guys can see it there. Thought that was really cute. So it's super pretty and pink, of course. Then also in the TN kit, you do get 2 seals. We're trying out a new seal style, and these are on the same paper as the wiggles. The coloring is a little bit darker than the colors in the kit, but I don't think it's super wild, like if you see in here. But that's just like manufacturer. They all have different print settings. So you do get 2 of these sets of seals. I actually like these a lot better than our ones before. I feel like they look a lot more finished because they still have like the white on there. This would be super pretty in a pocket, I feel like, if you could totally like stick it in and have these like showing. But you do get 2 of them, and I feel like they're just higher quality than before. There is a bow bookmark. There is also 2 double-sided journaling cards. So you get 2 of these. Then there are also 2 foil journaling cards. These are individually celloed. So this one says, "It does not do to dwell on dreams and forget to live," in that really gorgeous matte champagne foil on white. And I've been really liking doing the journaling cards, like the foiled ones, just because they're like super luxe on white. Just because I feel like then you can use them with other setups and things like that, rather than if I put like crests on them, I feel like they would have to go with this setup. Do you know what I mean? And then there's this one that says, "The ones that love us never really leave us." So this is custom lettering, so you won't see this lettering anywhere else, which is super awesome. And then there are also these tabs. So these are the same as the hollow ones in our last kit, and they have the same kind of function with these scallops. So you get the 2 of those. There's also a little paper clip in here, which I just threw in as a cute little extra freebie. So it's just a gold bow paper clip. And then last but not least are the foiled die cuts, which I think this again is the last month I'm going to be doing foiled ones. They are super cute. Here's the backing. They are super cute, but I just feel like they're not super necessary to be foiled. So let's go ahead and just go through these really quick. So you have the little acceptance letter with foiled bits on it. You have little teacup with little hearts on it. A teacup with saucer with hearts on it. You have a little chocolate frog. Another chocolate frog. You have a little snitch. A time turner. You have a feather or quibbler, little glasses, and a teapot, chocolate frog, the little love potion, a bigger one with little sprinkly bits coming out of it. What is this called? A Pigglypuff? I don't know. Honestly, I'm the worst. And then you have it was a Pigglypuff. Isn't it something else? I don't even know. This is the letter. Then you have the every flavor beans, the crest, a staircase with really pretty like little candy jars on it, and then you have a cute little sweater. So those are all the die cuts. You get a ton of die cuts in here. They are foiled. Like I said, this will probably be our last month doing foiled die cuts. These are manufactured, but the ones that we're going to be doing in the future are in shop. I kind of prefer them. I feel like the coloring is a little bit better. I like the paper a little bit better. So that is what we will be doing from now on, but this is the last one with the foil, so this will be available Friday at noon Eastern. This is obviously a limited product, so whenever they sell out, they will be completely sold out. I'm not sure if I have enough to do extra paper packs, but if we do, I definitely will list those at the same time if we have the availability to. But I just love this kit. I just love the whole pink magical vibes, especially with the matte champagne gold. Also, we will have a kit available, so let me go ahead and show you guys. There's going to be a lot of a la carte items. So let me go ahead and show you what we got going on. So let me show you the kit first, and then I'll show you guys the other items. So here is the sticker kit. I'm going to show you guys this first. So this is an ultimate exclusive, which we do these from time to time. Recently, I've been doing most kits as a mini as well, but this is an ultimate kit exclusive. So here is the little freebie here, and then here are the full boxes. How dang cute is this? This would also look really cool with our marble multicolor because there are marble accents in there as well. So I really picked some of that up in your checkout. So tons of really cute little elements here, very like modern take, definitely like a fangirl take, I feel like, which I really love. You have tons of deco over here. I love the colors. So you have the 3 pinks and a gray with the champagne sprinkled throughout. You have the little chair scene here. This is the older format just because we've had this prep for quite a while, but you do have the little sprinkly flags on the functional page, your half boxes, your headers, and your little things, your ombre hair checklist, and then last but not least, your bottom washi, which is super pretty. There will be an option if you want to add on the 15 millimeter, which I would highly recommend. Super, super pretty. Love this. So that is the... Where did the freebie go? I just had oats over here. White on white sometimes gets a little confusing. So that is Accio Pink, the Ultimate Kit. There are a couple of different options if you want to add those on. So this is the Ultimate Kit. Then you have the 15 millimeter. Again, if you want to add that on. There's also an option for some extra boxes / fashion girls. So you have, you know, different skin tone and hair color options there, as well as some other kind of full box options. Super cute. So you can kind of like extend your kit a little bit more. You could definitely probably get 2 weeks out of it between everything if you are like kind of minimal on the stickers, or if you pick up some of the marble multicolor. Even the spring would look really pretty with this. There is also an option if you want to add on the glitter sampler. Again, let me know if you guys want me to do the label, like the label sheet that I've been adding on for collections. The one that is like kind of paired with the other glitter. Like I said, this is already prepped, but I can totally add that on if it's something that you guys are interested in. There is also a Munchkin Sheet. How dang cute is this? So it's just the Once More With Love Munchkins in all pink. How cute is this? I can't tell if my favorite is Draco or Snape or Voldemort. I mean, they're all really cute. And Dumbledore, and Ron. I mean, they're all super cute in pink, but I love those. You guys know I love Marg. She's one of my faves, if not my fave. Then there is also a washi card. So this is kind of similar if you guys have our marble washi card. It is a plastic, not too thick, not too thin. I went ahead and added a little purple to it because I thought that would be a really cool pop. It's kind of like the hues go with it, but I just thought it would be kind of like a neat color to add. And then you have just the crest, and I think this will look super pretty with a bunch of washi on it. Hopefully we get our washi shipment in time for this, which will be a washi duo. And then you have some vinyls. So these are sticker vinyls, which will be available a la carte as well. So you have the sweater, which is super pretty. You have the crest. And then you also have the letter, which I think is really pretty. So those are the a la carte items. I also will have packs of the foil that matches. So it's the matte champagne. So I will be having packs of these. For this weekend only, I am going to make them $10. So wiggle pricing. I will not have them a la carte. But if you want to pick up one of these with your set, it will be $10 for the weekend. It is not unlimited stock, so definitely get your hands on those. I think they might sell out. I'm not totally sure, but I can't obviously promise anything because we don't manufacture those. Then last but not least, I do have a monthly. So this is what the monthly looks like. Oh, so pretty. I die. It's just so cute. So we have a monthly option, which I think would be really, really pretty for May or even September, or any time that you like. So that is the monthly, and there are options for a functional sidebar as well as a deco sidebar, so you can add on one of those. So that is everything for this collection. I just wanted to do one full week of Accio Pink just because there's so many items. I feel like the number one question is going to be, are we going to be doing a bundle? And let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I could totally do a limited bundle that has one of everything in it. Maybe not the monthly, just because I feel like not everyone uses the Erin Condren. But if you guys want to see a bundle of all of these items, maybe I could do like a limited bundle just so that you can get your hands on all of them, one easy click. It wouldn't be discounted, but you could still use like your normal coupon codes on it. If you guys want me to do a bundle for everything, let me know in the comments down below. But otherwise, everything will be available a la carte on Friday at noon Eastern. And then also on Wednesday, we will have this. So this is available Wednesday at noon Eastern. Super pretty wiggle. I'm probably going to call it like Galaxy Hollow, maybe? Galaxy Hollow. And then these will all be available Friday at noon Eastern. I'm super excited about this, and I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say about it. I'm just so excited. I love pink, and you guys know I love things magical. So this is everything that will be available Friday. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!